Spyder Wayne here. It is Saturday, October 28th, and there's about an hour and a half left daylight, and I'm going to try something new for myself, and it's part of practicing to fly my drone, but I want to see how it looks at dusk and sunset, and if I stick around after dark. We're here. This is Kroll Park in Olcott, and looks like we got a little bit of time before the sun sets, so I better get set up. Takeoff button. All right, a couple little quick tests. We'll go forward towards me. We'll go backwards. And we shall go left. And boy, it's moving fast. Oh, it's in normal mode. I gotta put it to cine mode. It's pretty much right above us, and now it's going to come down, and it's not quite where it took off from, but that's okay. We'll stop it. Ooh, that was close. All right, let's wait till it gets a little darker. Wow. You know, on the RC2 screen, it still looks pretty light. It's barely light above me. I mean, it's pretty dark up there. It's not black yet. Car's pulling out from beside my Spyder. Boy, that's nice and bright. The lights around the Spyder. Don't hit my Spyder, please. Thank you. All right, let's return to home. That's a pretty good light on that, on the bottom of that drone. I like that. It is now about 7:15 p.m. It's exactly 1 hour after sunset. I've got the RC controller screen recording, but we're going to take a little last flight of the night just to see how the camera does. I want to put it in night mode this time. Maybe I have to do it before I start recording. That's what it is. I better stop. That's exactly what it is. All right, so everything looks good. 22 satellites. There's no obstacle avoidance at night. Be careful, Spyder Wayne. Take off. Here we go. time to pack up and go home and check this stuff out. So we'll see how it turns out. But I'm impressed with the quality of the lens and what it picks up at night. Man, that was sweet.